Hello everyone, welcome back. So, for today in our lesson 8, we're going to take a look at two new phonics and letter sounds. So, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, as you can see, these two are the new addition of phonics and letter sounds for today, which is the sound is OE, O, OE, O, and AU, O, AU, O. Okay, very good. We're also going to recap these three phonics and letter sounds that we have learned yesterday, only with different example of words for today. So I hope you all still remember what we have learned yesterday. What sound does WH makes? Okay, it makes W sound. WH, W. WH, W. Second, PH, F. PH, F. And last one, EW, U. EW, U. Okay, let's move on to the first sound for today's lesson, which is OE, O. OE, O. 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 Eh. O. Eh. O. O. Very good. Superheroes. Superheroes. Okay, we're going to focus only on the words heroes. Okay, heroes. H, 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 E, E, R, O, E, O, O, E, O, S, S. So you blend all the words together, becomes heroes. Heroes. Okay, well done. Next is ho. Ho. Hash, hash, O, E, O, O, E, O. Blend all the letters, becomes ho. Ho. Moving on to the third example, potatoes. Potatoes. P, P, O, T, T, A, R, T, T, O, E, O, O, E, O, S, S. Potatoes. Potatoes. P, O, T, R, T, O, S. Potatoes. Potatoes. Very good. Last example for this sound is tomatoes. Tomatoes. Okay, good job. Next is aw. Aw. A-U, aw. A-U, aw. Okay, do you still remember these sounds? Was it familiar to you? Okay, if you still remembers, this AU sound is similar to AW sounds. Both of these letters makes aw sound. Aw sound. So what makes it any difference? Okay, what you need to know is the difference is usually the AU sounds comes at the beginning or in the middle of the words. So if you hear the O sounds at the end of a syllable, it's usually be spelled as AW. For example, claw. C-L-A-W comes at the end of a syllable. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, never mind. Let's focus on the A-U, O sound. Okay, let's see the example. The first one is August. August. A-U, O, G-G, U-U, S-T, August. August. So, as you can see, the AU sound is at the beginning of the words. Next is fauna. Fauna. F, F, AU, O, AU, O, N, N, A, R. Fauna. Fauna. Okay, fauna is a place where animals live in one habitat. Okay, so for this word, as you can see, the AU sound is in the middle of the syllable. Next is haunted. Haunted. Hash AU or AU or N T T E D D. Haunted. Haunted. And the last one is sauce. 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 S A U or C E sauce. Sauce. Okay, let's move on to the second sound, which is w. W. This sound is the sound that we learned yesterday, so you should know by now how it sounds. WH W. Let's look at the example. Okay, the first word is white. 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 Very good. Next, whisk. 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 WH W I E S K S whisk. Whisk. Okay, good job. Moving on to the third sound, which is PH. PH. Okay, look at the example. Elephant. Elephant. Very good. Next, pharmacy. Pharmacy. Okay, very good. Now, let's move on to the last sound for today's lesson, which is EW. EW. U. Okay, look at the examples. True. True. Okay, good job. Next, nephew. Nephew. N E P H E W U. Nephew. Very good. Okay, that's all from me for today. Thank you, class. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp me personally. Bye. Have a nice day.